Good morning, everyone. It is rightly said, if you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Keeping this in mind, we, the students of Baroda Public School, are paying our gratitude towards nature through different activities. Thank you.
We are going to know about the 3 R's.
3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce is cutting down the amount of trash we generate. For example, stop using the plastic bags.
Plastic bags are harmful and jute bags are safe. The non-biodegradable synthetic product is called plastic. Plastic bags have become an integral part of our life. Seas and oceans have become dangerously polluted with plastic bags. Plastic bags are spoiling the soil and also infecting our food chain. Jute bags have become up as savior. Jute bag is long, plastic and biodegradable.
Oh my god, what is this? The fan and the lights are switched on, but nobody is there in the room. So dear friends, we should switch off all the lights and fans when not in use. We should shift to LED bulbs because they consume less electricity. Take off the plug of the appliances even when they are switched off. Open the door and draw the curtains. Use natural light.
Plants play an important ecosystem of our planet. They are main source of food for all species including human. Photosynthesis is the main process by which plants prepare their own food. There are more than 3,000 species plant.
आओ बच्चों पेड़ लगाइए अपने चगिलदे नूं और सोहना ते हरा बनाइए। गुरदास सानू कोविड ने की सिखाया है जो ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो गई थी जो ऑक्सीजन नहीं थी मिलती लोगों को तो की कहते थे सारे की करना चाहिए
पेड़ लगाना।
हाँ ये पेड़ सानू की देंदे हैं
ऑक्सीजन।
हाँ जो सानू जिउण वास्ते बहुत जरूरी है ये तुसीं अपनी जिंदगी च हर अच्छे मौके ते दरख्त लाने हैं ठीक है ते इन्हां नूं पाल पोस के वड्डे करना है ताकि वो सानू फुल फल ते हवा देंदे रहन ते साडा वातावरण प्रदूषित तो बचिया रहे ठीक है जी। होर की काम करने चाहिए सानू जिहड़े साडे समाज वास्ते साडी सोसाइटी का भला करते हैं। फुल पौधे तो बिना होर की काम करने चाहिए पानी बचाना चाहिए हाँ लोड़मंदां दी सहायता करनी चाहिए है जिवें किसी नूं भुखे नूं रोटी खवानी पानी पिलाना ठीक है ते दरख्तां दी वध तों वध सेवा करनी है ठीक है ओके प्रॉमिस। चलो रल के असीं हुण अपना वातावरण बचाउणा है ते जे जिंदगी च दुबारे कोई कोविड वर्गी महामारी आवे जिथे सानू ऑक्सीजन की लोड़ पवे ते असीं ओह इन्ने दरख्त ला दईए पहलां ही कि ओह किसी नूं ऑक्सीजन की घाट महसूस ना ही होवे ठीक है जी।
Water is the source of life. Without water, we cannot survive. And still, we are wasting a lot of water every day. The water is the best gift from God to human. We should not pollute the rivers. Thank you and have a nice day. The RO pipe is connected to big pipe. From this we water the plants.